Ogai mar Doho Martha Koome owacho ni ok obi yie mondo mi odwa nying doho gi weche maonge atachgi kata matin. Koome owacho ni doho oikore mar rakore kod mibadhi momako jang'ad bura mora mora e pacho ka. Bende nomedo kwayo jo Kenya mondo sir kendo mak motegno chike ma pacho ka kosewo jatend piny kuom weche ma kamago.
We are ready to process any complaints against any judge or judicial officer who is implicated in corruption or in any other acts of misconduct, and state that we abhor corruption in all its formats, be it bribery, which is indeed a crime. However, such complaints must be launched and processed in the manner prescribed by the Constitution. Days are gone when officers were hounded, judges, judicial officers were hounded out of office through name calling and naming and shaming. The Judicial Service Commission, which is the body mandated by the Constitution to deal with matters of complaints, will only act on the basis of evidence and not on blanket statements or allegations that have not been substantiated. Doing otherwise will mean that we will be overthrowing the Constitution.
Duol mar